I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lock type and getting tools. This matters because mounting methods differ. Once ready, remove the trim or faceplate to expose the screws. Use the proper screwdriver to avoid stripping. As you work, set screws and small parts aside in order so you won't lose them. If screws are painted over, score the paint first to prevent damage. Make sure you can clearly see the bolt assembly before moving on to repairs so alignment checks are accurate. Once the lock is exposed, tighten the mounting screws while alternating sides to draw the lock evenly against the door. This prevents misalignment. If screw holes are stripped, replace with longer screws that reach the framing behind the jamb. This restores structural hold. Use thin wood shims behind the faceplate or strike to remove gaps and ensure the bolt travels straight. When parts fit snug, apply a drop of thread locker to screws to keep them secure under. Reassemble the trim and test the lock through its full range of motion. You want smooth, consistent engagement without wobble. If the bolt binds or misses the strike, loosen the strike screws and reposition slightly, then retest. Small shifts often fix it. Make sure the door sits square in its frame. If holes are too damaged, fill with epoxy wood filler or insert a threaded anchor before reinstalling screws. If the lock still feels loose after these fixes, replace the lock set to restore security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.